Hello, I'm John Garrett.
Hi, I'm James Garrett. Both John and I founded Velocity Home Lifts back in 2015. Since then, we have been a trusted name in the home elevator industry. We are committed to uplifting people, not just in the literal sense, but also through the experience that we provide. From the moment our customers choose Velocity Home Lifts, we want them to feel supported, empowered, and confident in their decision with us.
We strive to manufacture and install 500 lifts per year, helping 500 families across all demographics to enhance their independence and overall quality of life. Our lifts are designed to benefit not only the elderly or individuals with mobility challenges, but also families and homeowners seeking greater convenience, luxury, and future-proofing their forever homes. By achieving this goal, we are transforming homes and improving quality of life for people from all walks of life.
At Velocity Home Lifts, our values guide everything that we do. They define our commitment to excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction.
We are constantly evolving, improving, and adapting to new technologies and customer needs. Our goal is to lead the home lift industry by continuously enhancing our product and services to provide better solutions for every home.
We believe in honesty, transparency, and ethical business practices. From the consultation to the installation, we ensure our customers receive a reliable information and trustworthy experience.
Excellence is at the heart of our craftsmanship. We use the highest standards in design, material, and installation to ensure every home lift is built to last. That's why we back our Australian-made Compass lift with a 25-year warranty on the motor and gearbox, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind for our customers.
We love what we do, and that passion drives us to create life-changing solutions for our customers, whether it's improving accessibility or adding convenience to a home. We take huge pride in making a difference.
We take full responsibility for our work and commitments. Our team is dedicated on delivering on our promises, ensuring every customer receives the best possible experience and support throughout the journey with us.
We are pioneers in the home lift industry, always seeking new ways to enhance mobility, comfort, and convenience. Our cutting-edge technology and forward-thinking designs are tailored to meet the unique needs of the Australian-built homes, ensuring seamless integration, functionality, and efficiency in every installation that we do.
I hope that gives you a sense of our values, our purpose, and our mission here at Velocity Home Lifts.